Hey y'all, Amy with Deep in the Art Creations here. And in case you didn't see my previous video about hand gestures, the link to it is in the description, so you can go see that. And if you did already see it, then you know that I literally stumbled upon these secret hand gestures that add effects to your videos. So, well, maybe they're not that secret. Maybe I just wasn't privy to it as my Gen X self. Us Gen Xers, we're okay with the technology, but we don't know all of it, and sometimes we just don't care. But this one I care about because it is messing up my videos. So I decided to go do some digging because, while admittedly, these are pretty cool things. They can get really annoying when you are on video and all of a sudden hearts start flying or fireworks start going off and you're not expecting it. So, either way, I wanted to share them with you. There's 8 different effects that you can do with hand gestures. These are through FaceTime and some other third-party apps. And what happens is they are triggered by specific hand gestures. And I also found out you can turn these things off. I'm thinking the default must be on because I know I didn't turn that on. It must have come with an update at some point that I just didn't pay attention to, because if you're like me, it says, oh, you need a software update. And I go, okay. And when I have time, I'll do it. Well, one of those must have turned this thing on. So after this, because I had to leave it on for this, I'm going to have to go hunt down how to turn it off. It says it's under the FaceTime app. So I guess I'll go look for it. Anyway, I also found that these are compatible with just, there's certain things you have to have or whatever, all that technical stuff, different platforms or versions or whatever. And I didn't write all those down. Here's what I figured out. Your equipment, your phone, your iPad, your computer, whatever, needs to be fairly new, and you need to have updated software. So if you want more information on that, I'll let you go chase it down. Because here's what I know. It works on mine. That's why I'm here. So whether you want to know these to use them or to avoid them when you're doing videos, here they are. There's 8 of them. Okay, the first one that I've heard a lot of people have just stumbled upon is this one. So you take your hand and you make a heart with the 2 deals. And then hearts start flying. Can be cool, can be very distracting. All right, the other one that made me start looking for this, because it just popped up on my screen yesterday, is the thumbs up. And you just hold your hand with your thumb up. I don't know how long, apparently for a while, and a thumb will start. There it is. See? Takes a while. A little bit annoying that it takes so long to do that. I mean, how many people stand here or sit here with your thumb up just like this forever? Oh, well, that one went quicker. Anyway, then there's a thumbs down. Well, there we go. That one worked. So if you want to give someone, hey, thumbs up, you might sit there forever. It might come right up. Or you go, boo, don't like that, boo. You just get this added effect. Now, this is another one that has accidentally come up on me during videos. 2 thumbs up. And then you get fireworks. Again, can be, oh, and if you leave a thumb up, you're going to get another thumbs up. Thumbs down, it's going to start raining. That looks like Texas right now for the last, I don't know how many days, but it's also cold. So I guess I could say our weather right now is There we go. And I get all nice and stormy. I don't know when you would want to use that one, but whatever. This one I thought was pretty cool. You get confetti. So you just throw up your peace signs and down comes the confetti. I'm not really sure why you'd be like, congratulations, because most people don't give peace signs for that. Or, hey, happy birthday. Whatever. But that's how you signal it if you want to. I wonder if we do it really small, if it comes down. I do not know where it has to be to trigger. Whatever. You can play with that. And then this one I thought was so funny. In Texas here, this is hook 'em horns. But you can get a laser show. So when you want to hook 'em horns, you get a laser show. I'm sure it means different things to different people, but here in Texas, UT, hook 'em horns, you get your very own laser show. Woo-woo! And then peace for the confetti. You want a rainstorm? Boo. Fireworks. You just want a plain old thumbs down. Or you want a plain old thumbs up. I said, or you want a plain old thumbs up. Come on now. There we go. They're a little finicky, I guess. I don't know. And then, oh, hearts. You want hearts. This one happens to me all the time. I mean, I really don't think I do that much, but I could be holding something like this and hearts just start flying out. So, if you like them and you want to have that on all the time, great. Just be careful when you're doing any hand gestures. Because, okay, so yesterday I was kind of just sitting like this, I think, and it picked up that I had a thumbs up. Freaked me out. I was like, whoa, where'd that come from? So just watch your hands, because if you're sitting like this, you might get a thumbs up. But then there's sometimes when you like really want it and it won't come up. So, seems a little finicky to me, but there you have it. All right. So thanks for joining me and learning alongside me here. If you have any input into this, you love them, you think they're crazy, you know of others, these are the only ones that I found, drop it in the comments below. All right. And also, if you wouldn't mind, please like and follow our page to show your support. Until next time, see ya.